to another campground review from Two Restless Retirees. Today we are at Pioneer Beach Resort in Port Aransas, Texas. We are right off of Texas 361, only a few miles from the city of Port Aransas. We lived here for about 3 months back in 2014 when I worked as a travel nurse in Corpus Christi and found it to be just a really delightful RV park. So we're going to take a look around and see what we can find out about Pioneer RV Resort. So let's go. All right, so this is, they've got all the usual necessities that you might need. And ooh, afterbite, that's a really good thing to have because there are a few skeeters down here. And some fun beach things, towels and beach totes and flip-flops, which of course everybody has to have flip-flops, and then some RV supplies that you might need. Oh, quite a few actually, that's really good. Water hoses, and oh, Poor Day Strong. Oh, I gotta get one of these t-shirts. Yeah, we're gonna get a t-shirt. So a few things to know about Pioneer RV Resort. It is right on the beach. I mean, you'll see how close it is to the beach in just a few minutes. It is just so spectacularly situated that it's hard to not love it. It is a 360 site RV park and is about 10% permanent residents. They are completely booked from January, February, and March with winter Texans and others who want to be winter Texans. We are not among them, but we would sure like to be at some point. It's amazing here. So we're going to take a drive around. We're going to go see the rec hall, and they are building another big building where they're going to house their laundromat and a few other things. So we can't go in that new building, but we'll go into the one that they're currently using. So let's do it. When we lived here in 2014, this is the section that we stayed in, which we actually really like because, as you can see, there's just field behind you. So it was really nice. Didn't have that feeling of being hemmed in at all. It can feel here a little bit crowded in some of the other spaces, but there's so much good here that it's easy to just overlook that. So I think this right here was our site, right in that section right there. But we're gonna head around to where we can see the rec building and the pool. They do have a pool here, which is really nice. It's not covered, which makes it a little bit challenging since it's hot here. But, you know, it is what it is. And there is a motorhome right there. That might be a little familiar. There's Beastie right there. Yep. And they gave us a really nice end site. So we have plenty of room. Put up our stairs. Everybody has a picnic table, full hookups, and the electricity is very good. We don't use their Wi-Fi because we have our own Wi-Fi setup. This is the rec building that is currently operating, and here is the pool right next to it. It's not terribly large, but it doesn't need to be. And there is a hot tub over there, which is awesome. Let's go inside. I think they're getting ready for a Halloween party in here. They are. How cool is this? Looks like there's going to be a fun Halloween party in here. And we'll go that direction, and that's where the bathhouse and restrooms and stuff are. There's another whole section on the other side that isn't being used currently for the party, so it's great. You can get packages here, UPS, Amazon, FedEx. You can get, everything can be sent here. They have no problem with that at all, so that's really great. But if you decide to live here for any length of time, it looks like you can have a post office box. So this is the ladies' room in the rec hall, and looks like there's showers, which is great. It smells really clean in here. There's a handicap shower, that's awesome. And dressing spots. And of course, some toilets. Again, everything is super clean. A family-friendly park. It is not age restricted, so you don't have to be 55 or older. You can be 55 or older, like we are, but you can also bring your family. We've seen children here, especially on the weekends or on breaks, things like that. There's been a number of kids here enjoying their time, having a lot of fun riding on golf carts. Nothing unruly, nothing that's hard to live with. It's just an easy to live with park. We love it here, and 100% when we come back to Port Aransas, we'll come here. But do you want to know the real reason we love it here? Should we show them?
Yeah, let's do it.
Reason we like it here so much. Miles and miles and miles of beautiful sandy beach. It is spectacular here.
And it's just a third of a mile walking from our RV site, which isn't super close in the RV park, but it's just a third of a mile to the beach itself.
Right, from our motorhome.
Yeah.
And so we absolutely love it here, and there's really precious few places that you can come and be literally on the beach for.
Yeah, you don't have to go across any major roads.
No.
Nope.
You just right here.
Get out of your RV, walk a third of a mile, and here you are.
Here you are.
It's
and
fantastic.
It is just fantastic. So this is a great beach for body surfing, fishing,
running. You can also get a permit so that you can park your car, and it costs $12 for the entire year, so it is very cost effective.
And they're available at a number of places. We got ours at the local IGA, just a couple miles up the road. So it's just a really pleasant and easy place to stay. So we highly recommend the Pioneer Beach Resort in Port Aransas, Texas. For more campground reviews and lots of other fun stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and ring the bell to get notified.
You bet. And until next time, Restless friends, you take care.
Bye.